what we would actually do is actually you wouldn't be paying month to month. We would use some of the money that you have currently to do a life insurance policy and then take out the money. So you have you have what you call like it's basically called like a lump sum life insurance policy where you put a lump sum of money in, and typically whatever that lump sum is, it passes down eight to 800 to 1,000% of death benefit. So let's say, for instance, with the $50,000 that you have, we put all $50,000 lump sum in a life insurance policy. Out of that $50,000 on the low end, that's going to be a $250,000 death benefit. On the high end, it would be a $500,000 death benefit. So let's say it's just $250,000. But the reason why we do that is because it gives you money to pass down to the family, but then also you're able to borrow basically 50% of the policy on day one. So we put in $50,000, we're able to immediately take out 25,000. And that 25,000 you take out, that would be the part that you would do for a down payment on the land. So now the land is paid for down payment wise. And we have now an extra, $225,000 to pass down to our family if something ever happens. So now we use that insurance money, heaven forbid, as basically mortgage insurance. So if something happens, that 225,000 pays off your current mortgage that you have now because you decided to rent it out instead of selling it. So now we have
Oh,
have mortgage insurance, which is great. And then from a Social Security standpoint, the $3,000 a month we're receiving for Social Security, that's just paying the uh, well, two ways we can do that, which I'll kind of explain next week. But just in general, the $3,000 a month, that's paying for the repairs. $3,000 a month, we just put that into our 401k because with our 401k, we could take out the money anytime we want to. So we put that three because you're over 59 and a half. We literally put the money into the 401k. That's a $36,000 tax deduction. So now we're not taxed at 100,000, we're taxed at 70,000. But then of course, if you need that money to help pay for the build of the
okay.
property,